A customer asks for a slot in WhatsApp. Somebody has to read it, open the calendar, create the event, write back. Or an AI agent does all of it while you keep working. Create a new automation and set the trigger. WhatsApp Business API, event message received. Every incoming message now wakes the agent. Add an action under the trigger and pick AI agent. This is the brain of the automation. Pick the model it thinks with. Albato AI works out of the box, Gemini, Claude, or OpenAI if you prefer. Fill in the fields and set the AI agent instructions. Find the date and time. Check if the slot is free, book it, and answer in the customer's language. Your tone of voice goes here too. Next, set up the agent's tools. First one, Google Calendar, search events. This is how the agent sees whether you are already busy. Give it the calendar to look at. Let the agent fill the fields itself. For start and end times, add a hint. Weekdays only, 8 in the morning to 9 in the evening, so nothing gets booked outside your working hours. Second tool, Google Calendar, add event. Slot is free, the agent books it. Third tool, WhatsApp, send direct message. The answer goes back to the same chat. Booked, taken, or send me a date. You set the tone, the agent picks the case. All that is left is to switch your automation on. Send a few test messages and tighten the prompt where the agent hesitates. Minutes of work on every message or none at all. Build your AI agent in Albato. The full guide is linked in the description.